now I'm scared.
Still not. Oh my God. He's gonna poke at it with a stick.
So we partnered with eBay Motors for this project to buy a car and all of the parts off of eBay Motors.
I'm not saying we're gonna build a 10-second Donk, but we should try.
Another day in the shop, Soupy.
Well, there's more progress at least, right?
Got the frame boxed, got the front suspension sorted. Motor's kinda in, like 70% in. So I got a question for you though. This is a Scotto project. Mm-hmm. So do we just leave it at this point, or do you want to continue working on it to finish it?
This project's growing on me. I kind of want to finish it. Here's what we do. We finish the car, and we weld the seat forward so Scotto can't get in.
Oh shit.
So he can't drive.
That's a shitty move.
That right? Right. He sees this beautiful car. We'll drive it all over the place. He just does not fit. We'll tilt this column all the way down, slide the seat way forward.
It's not a bad idea.
Right? Because you know he's the size of Sasquatch.
So is that what we're doing today?
This week because everybody's here, we're gonna divide up into two teams. Body and chassis.
Nice. Me and Ron obviously on chassis again.
Definitely not, after you almost killed everybody in the shop. No, you guys are on body this week. I'm gonna take Scotto and Hurt, and we're gonna go on the chassis side.
Your chassis team?
That's my...
Okay, good luck.
Wow.
Go on.
And the body guys, you guys are gonna monitor all the components, wire in all the stuff.
Okay.
That's what's going on?
I'm gonna get Jamo to start this wiring.
Yeah, he's like, he's ready to go. Look at him.
Someone say spaghetti?
Lemonade was a popular drink and it still is.
This is why shit don't get done here.
Jamo, this is important.
Let's go. Let's go.
Jamo, lemonade.
Jamo, tart lemonade or sweet lemonade?
Tart lemonade.
Tart lemonade or sweet lemonade? Jamo!
Dan.
Just pick one.
Tart lemonade or sweet lemonade?
Hey, oh my God.
Steering column. All right. Booster. Calling me Booster?
Oh, that's a good nickname.
Steering column. Let's go. All right. Social distance sandwich.
Yeah, forget it. I need a new guy.
Yes! Hurt, you're in. Hurt, you're in.
No, these two cannot be on my team. No. Last week, watch the video.
Threw a pipe at the suspension.
Listen here, you losers. Jamo's gonna teach you how to be a real man, okay?
Watch her. Let Soupy open the box while he pretends to open the box. It's already off to a start.
All right, let's go, guys.
Okay.
Come on.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop it.
Hold Sean.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Riser plate.
Look at these guys.
Yo, you guys
Mess. Right here. It's gonna mess everything up. Oh, what?
Isn't that nice?
Let me feel that.
Oh my God!
Who is this guy? Wow. I don't even trust my own teammate. You know what? I can't work for a guy like that. Let's do that one team now.
No!
I didn't work for that guy. I don't trust him one bit.
My teammates suck.
Look at this shit. This should be the column. From eBay.
Is that a chrome steering column?
Oh, it's gotta be chrome. It's gotta be chrome. Oh! Hey, don't look.
Wait, what's that?
Nothing.
You got fancy shiny parts
You got shiny parts, so do we.
We showed you.
What car do you have that's got chrome steering column?
I think they can go on and work outside in the...
Yo, Super, here you go. Something long you don't see much.
Who thought it was a good idea to bring him?
You.
Jumbo moving right along, huh?
This team is looking like they're having a lot of fun right now.
This guy giving you problems?
This guy's giving me problems.
No,
Giving you problems?
I'm admiring your work. You guys are working really well together. Come on, just let me hammer it one time. Jumbo, just one time.
Not working, right?
Nope. Because you don't
Is
know
it
how to
still?
hammer.
There's like this buzz around me right here.
He doesn't know how to hammer. You know, I thought you know what? I don't even care about us.
You hear the background, right? We had to rate them. I would dare say we're like X or Z, somewhere around there.
Yeah,
right? Is there such a thing as a Z-Tech?
A Z-Tech, yeah.
No, not a 350 Z-Tech, but like
a
rated,
Z-Tech.
like a Z.
Z-Tech.
Yeah, that's about most of them. Damn, we're so tight.
Roots blower, supercharging, what do those numbers even mean? How do we even get here? I'm gonna give you guys a really condensed history of superchargers. 1860, Flandre Higley and Francis Marion Roots, that's where the name came from, developed an air pump, and it was used for industrial purposes like mining, just moving air. That's all it was used for. That was the basic concept of the supercharger. It's just a big pump anyways. You just put on top of your engine, which is a big pump, to make a bigger pump. By the 1900s, the use in internal combustion engine had begun. And by 1920, Mercedes even put a production car with a supercharger on it. So by the 1930s, General Motors had finalized their two-stroke diesel engine. And they had to use the forced induction concept because the two-stroke didn't have its separate intake stroke, so they had to use the forced induction concept to move the air through the engine. So what do those numbers mean? Like, what does a 671 mean? 871, all that stuff. Well, a 671 really means 6-cylinder diesel engine, and each cylinder is 71 cubic inches displacement, 671, which if you add it together equals 426, which is a magical number in hot rodding. But anyways, and an 871, 8 cylinders, 71 cubic inches displacement. So that's what that all means. For example, my little blower that's inside my 67 right here is 142 cubic inches, which is a 271. So just for example. It's actually the same size basically what's inside Tri-Fi by Fire. How do we get on to the cars that we know now and hot rodding, all that stuff like that? Well, service people that are coming back from World War II were airplane mechanics and tank mechanics, diesel, all that stuff like that. And they saw the application that it could be used for, and there you go. Hot rodders are gonna do what they're gonna do. Try to figure out how to make it work on a car. So Barney Navarro is being credited as being the first one to put a GMC supercharger on an engine. So he took a 371 and machined it and put it on his flathead Model A Ford and went racing off into the dry lake beds. And that's kind of where it all started right there. Pretty crazy though. I think it was an air pump used for mining and now use it for making power on cars. Incredible amounts of power in cars right now. There's a really condensed history of supercharging.
Yo, check this out. Gear wrench, digital. The instructions say 30 pounds. Set.
You need me to bolt that up for you, Jumbo? Seems to be one missing.
How's that? Feels tight AF.
Hey, good. There's just something super badass about a 871 blower.
Probably go faster that way. Look at them. Look at them. They don't even know what the hell they're doing. Look.
So it's been less than 24 hours since you landed?
Yeah.
How much work has been done?
On my side, 0. On their side, they went back It went back one day.
So you're telling me your team, with your guidance, still made zero progress?
No, we did. Check it out. We got the steering column mounted.
Okay, okay.
We got the booster.
Ooh, we got a chrome booster? What?
Yes. More chrome, more fast. HVAC system. Just waiting for some hoses before we mount that up. And then we're gonna start doing the wiring.
Yo, Sean. Come on, man. You looking for something to drop on the floor? Come on. Yo, wait. Hurt. I don't know if I can trust this guy holding up the supercharger.
I got it. Hurt, sit down. I got this, man.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it, man. You don't trust me with nothing no more. Alright, so you put that on the top, you put that on the bottom, right, Soupy?
Just like that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we got more. We got more from eBay. I think we're doing LED taillights on this thing. These are a little tired. Oh, we got gauges. That's what it is. Temp gauge, dash mount dimmer. Woo! LED taillight game. That's Jamo stuff. That's sick.
Yeah, it's clean.
You know, I like how factory looking they keep it, but at the same time,
Look how simple the plugs are.
I know. Making Jamo's job easy. Easiest job in the world.
Wiring.
What do we got here?
Oh, so we got.
Oh, these are inserts.
So you okay?
You are gonna have fun putting this in.
That's pretty sick though. Just a
LED
little
bulb?
circuit board, LEDs. Just give you a little more power, but it doesn't look cheesy.
Well, something I don't need, but you can read the directions. This was built in 1971. Check out this wiring. The inside of the wire. Look at that. No strands, just a solid core. So we're going to be replacing all that to all the updated wires. Kind of made it simple for myself. So I made a plug right here, and I'm going to do the painless harness. Bring it out to the back, connect it to this, make another connector on the other end, bam. And I'll be done with the back. Finally, my team is working. Either we're gonna roast the wires or it's gonna work out properly. I can't believe it.
Oh yeah, we got taillights. I mean, honestly, those aren't bad.
You wanna put a LED in there and we'll power it up? See how it looks?
I would like to, yeah.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right.
Yo, you actually read instructions?
Okay, fine. All right, so that'll be the tail, right? And then when you hit the brakes.
Can you do reverse and regular taillight?
Hold on.
Yeah, there you go. All right. So that's the LED, and that's the red part at least. That's what the bulb used to be like. That's a pretty dramatic difference. Yeah, nice.
All right, so we made some great progress on the Donk build today. So our big block has been locked and loaded in here for about a week or so, but we just got the blower shop 871 blower. This thing is massive and absolutely beautiful. That's locked and loaded, fully bolted down, fully mounted. We're still waiting on a couple of parts to finish up the top.
Yes, we're waiting for the
Bird catcher,
bird, yeah, with the throttle body on it.
our fuel rails and injectors, we're waiting on those little pieces. And then this motor is pretty much locked and loaded.
Pretty much the rear is done. We got tail lights, reverse light, parking lights, brake lights. My team, the best team.
Wow. That's arguable.
We'll let them have it. We'll let them have it.
We got the booster all bolted up.
Oh, that's a shiny boy.
Yes, we got the fuse box all mounted. There's another half going towards the engine bay. We got the steering column in.
Yeah, another shiny boy.
Another shiny boy.
We might be able to start this thing soon.
Maybe.
Does that look like soon?
What's soon to you? Hey.
You gotta have faith. You gotta have vision.
Close your eyes for a second.
Stand back.
Unlock the car real quick. Boop, boop. All right, turn the key.
That shit got a misfire.
John Chase, I think we might have a little project for you. We got the blower belt.
You say we?
What do you think about hitting the face of it with some of your art?
Yeah, send it to me.
What we're thinking is like an animation. So when it spins, it animates.
I don't know if you can actually see it.
Yeah, you could. We'll figure out the frames per second. It'll work.